Hi and welcome back once again to my channel, Dacty for You. Thank you all so much for all the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. So in today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how to make this simple, delicious one-pot fried yam recipe. It's so simple and I'm telling you, everybody in the family is going to love this and you will not regret trying this recipe. So let's get started. First, we will just fry our meat. You can use beef, chicken, gizzard for this recipe. So I'm using beef for this recipe. So what I did to my beef is that I seasoned the beef. I marinated with some ginger, garlic, some beef spices. I'll leave everything in the description box below, so please do well to check it out. So we are just going to fry this beef, not too crispy, but to the let it cook and brown a little bit. So at this time it's all done and we are taking it out. So in the same oil we are going to fry our yam. So what I did to this yam is that I peeled the yam and then I cut it into bites and I sprinkle a little bit of salt to it, just like you are making your fried yam, but not too much salt. Don't worry about my oil. I used it to fry fish right before I fried my beef the same day, so don't worry about it. So here we are going to fry this yam. Make sure not to fry the yam too crispy. So in order to do that, you have to sprinkle a little bit of water in the oil so that the yam will be cooked and it won't be too crispy outside, but it will be soft that you won't have struggle biting into it. So on the other side we are preparing our spicy base for this recipe. So what I just added in is my red bell pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, rosemary, and anise that I have blended together. I did not blend it too smooth. Yes, you can decide to go the smooth way, but I didn't want that. So this is what we are looking for. We want our yam to be like this. You see, it's cooked but not too crispy outside. So take it out and set it aside. So at this time, go ahead and add any seasoning of your choice to your pepper sauce. Yes, you can make it too spicy if you want. So as I said, I'll make sure to leave everything in the descriptive box below, so please do well to check it out and try this recipe. You are not going to regret it. It's so yummy and it looks so appetizing. It's like one pot recipe. Everything is in there. Yes, it's a balanced diet on itself and so filling. So at this time the sauce was all done, so go ahead and then add in your fried yam to it. Make sure to mix everything together so that the sauce will be covered with the yam very well. The yam will be covered with the sauce very well like this. So after that you go ahead and then you add in your beef. Either you are using gizzard, your chicken, you add it in at this time and then you stir everything together. At this time you are doing this on a high heat. At this time you don't want it to the yam to be too soggy, so you are doing all this on a high heat at this time. So after about 1 minute of adding in the meat, go ahead and then add in any veggie of your choice. So here I'm using carrot and green bell pepper, or you can decide not to add the veggies, but hey, you want to have a balanced diet, so and you want to have more crunchiness to your food, so you add it in and the veggies add more flavor to it. So this is it. It's all done. It's so simple to make. Just look at it. It's all done at this time. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you and please try this recipe and let me know. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. I love you. Bye.